In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop overpaying for your home decor and save a ton of money. Do you need to spend a lot of money for your home to look high-end? Today, we're going to put that to the test. I ordered some of Temu's most beautiful home finds, and today we're going to style them in my home and see if they actually look designer. And I want to thank Temu for sponsoring today's video. Now, you may not think of Temu when you're wanting to shop for your home, but they have some amazing home decor and furniture options. And if you're looking for these items on Temu's sites, you just want to make sure that you refine your keyword search. I was looking for a bench for my home, so I typed in high-end bench, and I had several products that came up. You also want to make sure you take it a step further by checking the product details and reviews. Now, if you see anything you like in today's video, Temu gave me some special coupons for you guys to use. All Temu app users can get a $100 coupon bundle for free by using my code LizDIY100. And all new users can purchase everything in today's video for 30% off. You're going to use this code right here, KJK9933. It's valid for 24 hours after claiming the coupon. If you're an existing Temu user, you can just sign up for a new account with a fresh email to get both of these offers. I've been looking for a smaller table that I could put beside this oversized chair. I don't have a lot of room for a larger table, and when I came across this table, it was only $13.79. I definitely think it was worth trying it out. So when it came in this small box, and it came in 4 different pieces. So I had the top and bottom piece and 2 spindles. This was really easy to put together. They had connector pieces that I used to put the 2 spindles together, and I didn't use any tools for this, you guys. I also put those connector pieces at the end of the spindles, and I just twisted it into the top and bottom piece. I feel like the wood tone on this is really nice. Now, this isn't going to be a large table. This is going to be a table where you could style a plant or a smaller item. In fact, it's perfect if you want to use it just to set your drink on. I think this table would be much more expensive if you bought it anywhere else. Another item that you can save a ton of money on if you buy on Temu is their hardback books. When I saw this Rome book, I definitely wanted to pick it up. It was priced at $8.59, and I just thought it was so gorgeous. Now, you can style these books on their own, or you can add them into your existing decor. These are great to put on a side table or coffee table. I'm just going to add one of my candles to it. If you're looking for books with a certain subject matter, just type that into the search on Temu. For me, I was looking for Rome, Italy books, and they had it. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, you've seen these 2 stools sitting in front of my fireplace. I've had them now for a while. I wanted to change it up and do something a little bit different, but I also needed additional seating here. So let me show you what I found on Temu's site. I was searching for a high-end bench. So I went to their website and typed in high-end bench, and all of these options came up. I found this one. I liked the reviews on it, and I thought it would be perfect. So the good thing is the bench came completely put together. Okay, so let's take off the plastic and see how the fabric looks. Okay, this looks nice. I'm excited about this, you guys. Now, I'm loving the modern shape of this bench, and the fabric quality is really good on this, you guys. It looks so pretty. This is the price that I paid for it. If you're interested, this bench has an added feature. Let me show you. It comes with 2 additional step stools. This is gonna add so much seating to my living room, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 additional seats. So this is what they look like. It's the same fabric, and you can store it underneath the bench. So you could sit on these, or they make great little footstools. But the best part about these is how you store them. They actually fit underneath this bench area. So you're going to take it like this and just push it back this way. I just think this looks so cool. It's functional and modern. For me, this is a definite win for Temu on price and definitely the quality. How great is this vase? If you're somebody who likes a high-end rustic look, I definitely think you're gonna like this one. And the quality on it is 10 out of 10. I was super impressed when I pulled this out of the package, and it came wrapped really well. So in my house, these vases make really great accent pieces. I'm gonna put it on my front entry table and show you how good it looks. Let's put together a fun drink with some items that I picked up from Temu. The first thing that I wasn't sure about was this ice maker right here. You guys, when I picked this up, this was around $40, and I know that's a lot less expensive than several other ice makers that I've had in the past, so I wasn't sure how well it would perform. I have to say, this performs very similar to other ice machines that I've had that have been around $100. You can make large or small ice. The ice will come out this front section. It has a little tray for it, the little scooper, and you just fill it up by putting water down at the bottom. So I'm pretty happy with this. It's doing a great job creating ice. So to start off, we're going to fill up my cup with a little bit of the ice. So I'm adding ice to my cup. About that much, but if you like more ice, add more in. If you're looking for an affordable ice maker, don't forget you can scan the QR code to go to all of these items that I'm showing you in today's video. Next, I'm gonna add in a mini can of Diet Coke because it seems to be the perfect size for these cups. Next, we're going to cut up our lime and we're gonna do it using these cutting boards. I was so excited to get these cutting boards from Temu. This is a pack of 3 titanium cutting boards and they were around $9. $9 for all 3 of these. I have some so similar to this, but they were way more expensive. I'm so excited to use these. They look just the same as my other titanium cutting board I got. Now I'm gonna cut this lime into 4 pieces, and depending on how much lime you like is how much you will put into your drink. I might only put in like 1/4 of a wedge. I'm blown away by how good of a deal these titanium cutting boards are. I would definitely pick them up. 3 for $9, such a good deal. All right, so next I'm just going to toss in one of my lime wedges. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of this one. Another item I found on Temu are these magnetic measuring spoons. You guys, these were $5. I couldn't believe the deal on these. If you haven't used magnetic measuring spoons before, they're great. They magnetize together so you're not going to lose any of them. You can put them in your drawer and they do a great job. Next, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of coconut milk, half and half. If you haven't tried these syrups before, they're great to add into your drinks. I'm gonna be adding in just a pump of the coconut syrup, but you could do as many pumps as you like. Next, what I like to do is kind of stir everything up with my straw. If you wanna add in a little bit more of the Diet Coke, you could do that as well. Adjust the flavors depending on what you like, but this is perfect for me. These electric salt and pepper shakers can be pricey. I found them on Temu for $9. This one was $9.01. Now I will say these do require batteries. So in each one, I'm gonna put 6 AAA batteries. So you wanna put your batteries on either side, then you're going to place the lid back down on here. There's like a little lock button right here. You can put your salt and pepper down here, and when you flip it upside down, it's automatically gonna grind it. The cool thing about these is their gravity element. So to make them work, you just flip them upside down. These work great. Just remember they did come with batteries. So if you prefer the chargeable kind, they have those as well. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Answer the question of the day. What room in your house do you need to decorate? When I saw Temu had these large oversized bags, I definitely wanted to try them out. Now, $15.80 was the price that they had on their website when I got it, and I have not seen them that inexpensively. Now, these are great back to school, teachers, just for anybody who needs to carry a large amount of items. Now, what I love about these is they have wheels on the bottom. They also have handles on the side. And if you want to roll it, there's a handle over here as well. We're going to fill this up. I'm going to show you how much you can put in here and how much it's actually going to carry. So these are all the blankets that I have in my living room. So we're going to put these blankets into this large bag. So I put 5 throw blankets in here and I still have room. Once you have everything inside, you just zip it up. And then if you want to move it around, you can roll it like this, or, you know, pick it up if you want to do that as well. But these are a great deal. So if you don't have one of these bags, it may be a good time to pick it up. I have found the best deals on these scarves on Temu. You can buy one individually, they're very affordable, or you can buy them in a large pack. Now you may think of these as putting them around purses, which I love to do, but there's some other things you can do with it. Have you ever considered putting a scarf around a hat? So you can take any hat that you already have, and then you're going to take your scarf and loop it through. Then from there, you're just going to tie it in a knot like this. If you want it to be really secure, you could double knot it, but I think this will be fine. Then you're just gonna wear your hat like normal, and it just dresses up any plain hat. Now these are so versatile, so you can add them to your purses as well. So if you have a plain purse, it's just gonna dress it up a little bit, and it gives you an option to change your purses so they don't always look the same. So I'm gonna show you how to add this scarf to kind of the bottom handle of my crossbody purse. So I'm gonna start by laying it flat just so I can work with it a little bit easier. Now this scarf is not super long, so I'm gonna start about right here. So we're gonna start by making it equal on both sides, and we're going to braid. So I'm gonna bring this side over, and then once I get to this side, I'm going to twist this piece around the back. Bring it over and twist. Bring it over and twist, so that I have this braided look. Go over, bring this piece and twist. And you're gonna keep doing this same motion all the way down until you're just left with a couple of tails. Also try to pull it about the same so it looks consistent on your bag. All right, so now we're at where we probably need to tie this. You can see I have a little bit of extra over here. So I'm gonna bring that around and use that piece to make my knot so that they look a little bit more consistent. If you like the look of longer tails, just do it higher up. Like, don't twist it so much, but you can really just make this look different. If you want it lower on your bag, just kind of push this down and it'll move. But that's really all you have to do. When I saw that Temu had these 3-piece cardboard books for $10.55, I had to try these out, you guys, because I feel like a lot of times coffee table books can be so expensive that I wanted to see if these would be a good option for us. So let me show you what these look like. They're essentially like a cardboard book, and then you put a box together just to kind of hold them up and support them. So let's see how well these work. So for the first one, this is what it looks like. So you're just going to pop the box up like so. You're essentially gonna put it together like it's a present. So that's what that side's gonna look like. You have this side, and then you're putting it together over here. Okay, you have a tape strip right there. So now what we can do is just close this up, make sure your box is closed, and then pull it tight and press it down. Okay, I'm noticing right here, it's open a little bit. My first thought is it may not support a lot of weight. You could probably put something like a candle on here, but let's do the others. So I'm gonna style these in my house right now and show you guys what they look like. My first impression is these look great. I love the style of them, and I don't think anybody's gonna know that these are not real books. Let me know down in the comments, would you put these in your home? This was a vase that I picked up as well on Temu. You guys, the quality on this vase is amazing. I love the blue and white detail. This is going to fit so well in my home. Now you could leave it just like this. You could also use this vase for organization. I did want to show you how you could put some floral stems in there. And yes, you can also buy your floral stems on Temu. Now this is a picture of the florals that I ordered, and here's how they come packaged. So I'm going to show you guys what these look like. Now, if you're like, oh, they're wrinkled or they don't look like the way they do in the pictures, I'm gonna show you my easy hack to make them look just like this picture. Now, I will say for the most part, these look great. I just need to kind of open them up. So a few things I like to do is I love to shake them when they come out of the package. But if in the shipping things get wrinkled up, a trick I like to do is use my steamer just to make them look a little bit more realistic. With these particular stems, the steamer works really great to get any wrinkles that are on my leaves. It also makes them lay flat and just look so much more realistic. Now that I have all of my florals steamed, they look so much better. Now it's time to put them into my vase. Now you can see these stems are a lot longer. My vase is smaller. What am I gonna do about that? Well, super easy. You could cut these off, but I prefer not to cut my stems because if you cut them, you may wanna use them later in another vase that's longer and it doesn't work. So what I like to do is just bend them. So right here, I'm going to bend my stem this way. Now, if I put it in like this, you could see this. So I'm going to bend it back the other way just to make it smaller. Now, when I put it in, it's going to be the right size and I don't have to cut them. I may have to put some foam in here. We'll see once I put all my stems in there. A lot of times putting multiple in there, you can kind of move them around. With each one of these, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna bend the stem and then bend it back the other way and then just place it into the vase. Now, as I'm putting the stems in, I'm not worried about what they look like. Once we get them all in, we can kind of adjust them. Now, I will say this pack came with 6 stems. It's gonna be a lot fuller. Now, I think with this one, I'm gonna try to make it a little bit longer to give my arrangement some height. So I'm gonna go down a little bit farther and bend this one. Now, as I put this one in there, you should see that these floral pieces stick up just a little bit higher. Okay, and we'll just keep bending. Okay, all my stems are in here. Now we can go style these in my dining room. Right now it is hot at my house, so this cold air humidifier is so nice to have and it's really easy. So if you have an area of your house that's just a little bit too warm, this is a good item to add to that room. Or you could also take this outside because you charge it up ahead of time and it doesn't have to be plugged in. So what you want to do is fill the top with water. Okay, so it's super easy to use. There's only 2 buttons. This button right here is going to turn on the cool air. So you have airflow that comes out of here. You can also adjust the way the air is flowing up or down. It has different speeds. And it also has these air misters right here. So cool air will come out the front. This is perfect if you're gonna be outside. Another thing we got from Temu that I'm definitely questionable about is this automatic magnetic stirring cup. So this is a cup that comes with a lid. You can also charge it up, but it's supposed to stir your beverage. So we're gonna try to put in a little bit of hot chocolate and see how it does. So I heated up some water. I also have my hot chocolate mix. So I'm going to add that to the mug and then I'll put in the water. Now, I'm not sure exactly how much water to put in there, so I'm not gonna fill it to the top. All right, that should be good. All you have to do is press the button over here on the side and it's gonna stir up your hot beverage. I think this is so cool, especially if you like drinking coffee or really hot cocoa, anything hot. It also comes with a lid so you can keep it nice and warm. I did see this shoe cleaner on Temu's website, and I love anything that's going to get my shoes nice and white. These shoes I took on a trip recently, and as you can see, these shoes did not stay very white. So we're gonna try this cleaner out. It's a little bit different. It kind of feels like an eraser. We'll see how it does. Now this is a waterless shoe cleaner, so let's see if it works. This cleaner did a great job of removing stains on the side of my shoes, but when I had these ridges up here, it didn't work as well. I feel like using water might be more helpful up here. The appeal to this cleaner, I would say, is maybe you get your shoes out of the closet and you have to wear them immediately. You don't want to get them wet. This would be a great option to just wear your shoes immediately. Also, if you're going to be traveling and want to just make sure your shoes are nice and clean, you could throw this in your purse or your suitcase. Overall, I was honestly impressed by how many of these products look so much more high-end and expensive than they actually cost. Not every product is going to be perfect, but the ones I showed you in today's video, I would use and style in my home. I'll have all the products linked for you below if you want to check them out, and I would love to know down in the comments which product was your favorite. All Temu app users can get a $100 coupon bundle for free by using my code LizDIY100, and all new users can purchase the items in today's video for 30% off by using the code KJK9933. It's valid for 24 hours after claiming the coupon. Now make sure you download the Temu app and you can use my exclusive codes. And if you're an existing Temu user, you can just sign up for a new account using a fresh email so you can enjoy both of these offers. Make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.